Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Tannin in Windrose. First of all, you'll need to unlock the biome foothills, and here you want to chop down some DVDV trees to get tree bark. So, once you've gathered some tree bark, you'll need 2 tree bark for 1 Tannin. Now we can go back to our base. Now, the second ingredient you'll need for Tannin is a clay bottle, which can be crafted from 1 clay. And clay is usually found near the line where the sand meets the grasslands. So right about here you should find some clay if you go around the whole island. Now you'll need an alchemy table, and with the clay bottle crafted and tree bark collected, you can craft the tannin with the level 1 station, just like this. And this is pretty much all how you get Tannin in Windrose. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.